Okay, we're recording now. So let's go ahead. Moira, you are having some issues with the voice thread. Is that right? Getting
Yeah.
into the right group?
Yeah, being able to share my voice thread with a group.
Okay. I'm going to do a screen share here, and I'm going to pull up the course discussion page from the class, okay?
Okay.
So let me do that here. I'll just go ahead and share. Let me pull this up this way. Let's see. Do you see that there? It's in the window now. Do you see that?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Good. Let me come back here then and hit this. There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. All right. So when we hit the discussion board here, and you guys go in and you join the VoiceThread group, and so you can come back in here, and you can click comment through here or play and kind of watch what's going on. Listen to the other students' comments by like hitting here, and like you'll see.
Hi everyone, just want to welcome you.
Click this off. Janetta's the next one, and I see Janetta has a she texted in her first comment, and then I can close that and kind of go around and just listen to everybody's throughout the voice thread. Here's Bruce Wong. He did a video.
Hello everyone, I am Bruce Wong, and
so all you need to do on that, Moira, is click comment right here. See where and then what it does is it gives you the option to do the video, just the audio, or the keyboard type like Janetta did. This one here we're not going to use that much. That's where you'd upload taped audio comment, and this one's for like telephone. Gets a certain amount to come in by phone. But I'll just demonstrate with the audio here. I'll just do a test, and I'll stop recording, and then it'll play it back. Test. And you hear that? And then I can cancel or save. I can save that. I could record a little bit more if I wanted on there or whatever. But I'll just cancel that because I don't want to add that to the voice thread. But do you have this view when you're in the course, when you're in 655 online? Do you see this on the discussion board?
Yes, and I've actually, I think what I was doing before is I actually went to I clicked that voice thread link at the top.
Yep.
And I was recording it onto the My Voice tab of like the voice thread page.
Yep.
Instead of through eCollege.
Yep. So I'm going to pull that up and show you. Yeah, that's I think what happened. So I'm going to share that screen now. I'm going to minimize this one and go back here. Let's see, the wrong one up. Stop sharing this. So are you able to see the voice thread one up now or no?
No.
Okay, I need to go back here to the Hangout then. As soon as I find this. Here it is. So I'll go to share the screen where the voice thread is and should see that come up now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this Tara's, this is Jessica's, here's Janetta's first one, and David. So there's a few people that had the same issue, and I think what happened was when they clicked the link within the course, it took them to the group page. See, over here I have, these are the groups that I've set up. Right here, where on the side here on the left, these are my groups. So I had 510 and 516 are the spring. These two were from the fall. They're not in order by the date, but here's the 655 group, and so there's 6 voice threads, and I just added these this morning, 2 and 4 for module 2 and 4. But what you'd want to do when you came in here is click this, and then push. Once this loads, click the comment button. Like you could pause this. Obviously, you can watch it in here as well, but you could just comment in here too, just like you would on the page. That's embedded.
Okay. I think the comments that I made were under my individual profile, and I couldn't figure out how to move it to the group profile. But I was recording it. I wasn't recording it this way, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So from now on, that's what you'll want to do. You want to do it on here because we can't move those comments from a separate voice thread onto this voice thread.
Gotcha. Okay, great.
We can copy a voice thread, but we can't like copy with the comments, but we can't copy comments from a voice thread to another one, if that makes sense. Like we could copy a whole voice thread with comments, but we can't copy individual comments to a different voice thread.
Okay. Okay.
So, and the one thing that, so I'm going to close this again, and I'm trying to see, did you have yours then on a separate page? Because like Janetta had hers in here, and Tara, and Craig, and Bruce.
I have when I'm logged in under my profile, under voice threads on the left-hand side, under owned by me,
yep.
That's where mine is.
Okay, and would you be able to then to go ahead and do it the way I showed you while you're clicking on the voice? Okay, because we got the whole first module to do this. This is part of the reason why we're taking the module like I am starting out to get people over the hurdle with this and get onto the working the bugs out.
Yeah, great.
Are there any other questions for you on the voice thread piece, Moira?
So after I do my introduction with answering the questions that you have on the slide there, just in order to comment on
hi everyone,
I just click, like on the screen you have up right now, I would just click on their voice thread and then record over it, and it would just kind of put the comment underneath what they've already said.
Yeah, and because this is a one-page voice thread, one slide, you'll want to, like Janetta here, up here's Janetta, and then here's Janetta G with a different name, and Janetta Gross with a different name. These are her different identities so that she doesn't overwrite her first comment, whether it's audio, video, or keyboarded text in. You need to create multiple identities. And you'll see some of the other students have, like here's Donna's, Donna 1, Donna 2, Donna 3. So it's pretty simple. You just need to know how to do it. And you just go click here like on your identity because your picture is going to come up, and then you could just click here and create another identity. And you can call it whatever you want. Sorry about that. But you could call it, like I said, whatever you want to do on those. Add an identity and then just use the same picture or a different picture. Some people have used these icons that are defaults within VoiceThread.
Okay, so after I create another identity, then I can just add to comments, and it won't erase the first thing that I wrote.
Exactly. So what you'll do is you'll click on your second identity to make your second comment, and then for your third comment, you'll click on your third identity.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, what it does on the single slides is it overwrites. It's not a big deal. Like if we do a presentation and you have multiple slides, you're just making one comment on every other slide, or one of 2 or 3 slides out of a presentation, just commenting on somebody's presentation. But if it's like something like this is dynamic, where you're interacting with different students, and that's what we want to do.
Okay.
And so like here, there's another cool feature with this. Like she's responding to Catherine here, Donna is. And so let me see where Catherine's is. Craig, Rachel, Catherine. So like this one here from Donna, I can hold down the shift key. So let me see where Donna's is. So Donna's is right here. Okay. So I can take hers and move it up the row and down into like where Catherine is. So Catherine's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can place it right there, and then Donna's comment will be there. You see how I moved her?
Oh, okay.
As a student, you don't have that ability because you don't own the voice thread. But as the facilitator of the discussion board, I can move this around, and then that way it seems a little bit more dynamic. Like here, Donna's actually replying to Catherine's, comment there or post. And this takes a little bit more administrative work, and I might not always be able to come in and do it like I just did now. But you kind of see how it works better to flow. But over a 2-week module, there's more time to be able to do that. The 1-week modules for my master's courses go pretty quick. So, and they have the same type deal with a Wednesday and a Sunday night type deadline to post. But we have a little more
Right.
flexibility on this doctoral course.
Okay.
So let me pause there. Any other comments or questions about this VoiceThread?
I